Okay, so for this one, you're asking how to find the equations of these asymptotes. So if we go to the course notes, this one, we have two styles for our hyperbola. We have where it leads in y, so that's where everything's going to run transverse y, and we have one where it leads in x, and everything's going to run transverse x, the focus and the vertex. So dependent on which one of those you're looking at, you have these two formulas which are basically identical except the a's and b's are reversed. And that's because for the one that runs side to side, a runs along x, and so it is the run of the slope. And on this one, a runs along y, so it is the rise of the slope. So that's why these two formulas, the slopes are reversed. So with that, we just look at this thing and we go, which one of those do I got? I got a y leading, so that means this is going to be my formula. So what I need to know is the a and the b. Okay, so those are right down here. A squared is 4, so it looks like a is 2, and b squared from there is 9, and so b would be 3. So for our asymptote, we would have, pop over here, we knew, and then the other thing on this is our center was at 0, 0, which isn't necessarily the case, so I'll show what you do with that for the ones where that isn't the case. And we just decided, what was it? A was 2 and B is 3. And then our formula for this is y minus k equals plus or minus a over b, and then x minus h. And again, I'm just getting that right there from the notes for that style. And then let's toss in what we got. So you can see if the center was, 1, 4 or something, that would make the h and k do something. But in this case, those are just zeros. So I'll show you where they'll just drop out. And then for yours, you'll have the positive version and the minus version. I'm just going to write it out plus minus for the video. And that would be a is 2, b is 3, and then that's times x minus 0 in this case. So cleaning up those zeros, but that's what you would do if the center was somewhere other than 0, 0. You get y equals plus or minus 2/3 x. So positive 2/3 x would be your the equation with your positive slope, and then y equals minus 2/3 x would be the negative one.